Your credit score is a critical financial indicator that can significantly impact your ability to secure loans, obtain favorable interest rates, and access various financial opportunities. Maintaining a healthy credit score is essential for achieving your financial goals and enjoying a stable financial future. In this comprehensive guide, we will unveil the secrets to boosting your credit score and enhancing your overall financial well-being. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. Understanding credit scores. What is a credit score? Begin by explaining the concept of a credit score. Describe how credit scores are calculated in the primary credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, responsible for generating them. The importance of a good credit score. Highlight the significance of a good credit score in various financial aspects, including securing loans, renting an apartment, obtaining insurance, and even finding employment. FICO versus VantageScore. Compare the two most commonly used credit scoring models, FICO and VantageScore. Explain the differences and which one lenders typically rely on. Factors affecting your credit score. Payment history. Discuss the paramount importance of making timely payments on credit accounts, loans, and bills. Offer tips on how to ensure punctual payments and avoid late fees. Credit utilization. Explain how credit utilization, or the ratio of credit used to credit available, affects your credit score. Provide strategies for managing credit card balances and reducing utilization. Length of credit history. Detail how the length of your credit history influences your credit score. Describe ways to establish and maintain a positive credit history, especially for individuals new to credit. Types of credit. Discuss the diverse types of credit accounts, credit cards, installment loans, mortgages, and how a mix of these can impact your credit score positively. Credit inquiries. Explain how hard and soft credit inquiries affect your credit score. Offer guidance on managing credit inquiries and their potential impact on your score. Credit score ranges and their implications. Excellent, good, fair, and poor credit scores. Break down the credit score ranges, e.g., 300,850, and the implications of falling into different categories. Discuss how lenders view borrowers with various credit scores. The cost of a poor credit score. Highlight the financial consequences of having a poor credit score, including higher interest rates, limited loan approvals, and increased insurance premiums. Checking and monitoring your credit score. Free credit reports. Explain how consumers can access free credit reports from each of the major credit bureaus annually. Emphasize the importance of reviewing these reports for errors and discrepancies. Credit monitoring services. Discuss the benefits of credit monitoring services, which provide real-time updates on changes to your credit report and offer identity theft protection. Improving your credit score. Correcting errors on your credit report. Guide readers on how to dispute errors or inaccuracies found on their credit reports. Provide templates and steps for filing disputes with credit bureaus. Paying down debt. Offer strategies for paying down high-interest debt, such as the snowball and avalanche methods, and explain how reducing debt can positively impact credit scores. Building positive credit history. Recommend actions for individuals with limited or damaged credit histories to build positive credit. These may include becoming an authorized user, applying for secured credit cards, or taking out small personal loans. Managing credit responsibly. Responsible credit card use. Highlight best practices for using credit cards responsibly, including making on-time payments, avoiding maxing out credit limits, and not opening too many new accounts. Automating payments. Explain the benefits of setting up automatic payments for bills and credit accounts to ensure punctuality and reduce the risk of late payments. Maintaining a healthy credit score. Regularly checking your credit. Emphasize the importance of ongoing credit monitoring, even for individuals with excellent credit scores. Explain how this habit can help detect and address issues promptly. Avoiding credit pitfalls. Warn against common credit pitfalls such as co-signing for loans, closing old accounts, and ignoring credit issues. Provide guidance on how to avoid these mistakes. Rebuilding credit after financial setbacks. Recovering from late payments. Discuss strategies for recovering from late payments and their impact on credit scores. Offer advice on how to negotiate with creditors for goodwill adjustments. Recovering from bankruptcy or foreclosure. Provide guidance for individuals who have experienced bankruptcy or foreclosure on how to rebuild their credit and regain financial stability. Advanced credit score strategies. Credit score optimization. Delve into advanced strategies for optimizing credit scores, such as credit piggybacking and strategic credit line increases. Negotiating with creditors. Explain how to negotiate with creditors for lower interest rates, payment plans, or debt settlements, which can help improve your credit situation. Credit score and financial goals. Achieving financial goals. Connect the importance of a healthy credit score to broader financial goals, such as homeownership, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Financial freedom and credit. Discuss how credit can impact your journey to financial freedom and independence. Highlight the role of credit in accessing investment opportunities and securing favorable financing. Advanced credit score management. Authorized user strategies. Discuss advanced authorized user strategies, such as becoming an authorized user on a well-established account with a high credit limit and positive payment history. Credit repair services. Examine the role of credit repair services and provide guidance on how to evaluate and choose reputable credit repair companies, if necessary. Credit score and major life events. Marriage and joint accounts. Explain how marriage can impact credit scores and offer advice on managing joint accounts and maintaining individual credit profiles. Divorce and credit implications. Discuss the potential credit consequences of divorce, including the division of joint debts and protecting your credit during and after the process. Homeownership and mortgages. Explore how your credit score affects your ability to secure a mortgage, the interest rates you receive, and the overall cost of homeownership. Starting a family. Discuss how preparing for the financial responsibilities of starting a family, such as childcare and education expenses, may require maintaining and improving your credit score. Credit score myths and misconceptions. Common credit score myths. Debunk common myths and misconceptions about credit scores, such as closing credit cards improves your score or checking your own credit harms your score. Building credit without debt. Highlight strategies for building and maintaining good credit without accumulating debt, including responsible credit card usage and paying bills on time. Identity theft and credit protection. Identity theft prevention. Provide guidance on preventing identity theft, safeguarding personal information, and monitoring your credit for signs of fraudulent activity. Responding to identity theft. Offer steps to take if you become a victim of identity theft, including reporting the theft to authorities and credit bureaus and taking corrective actions to restore your credit. Credit score and investment opportunities. Real estate investing. Explain how a strong credit score can open doors to real estate investment opportunities and secure favorable financing terms for rental properties or real estate development. Stock market and investment loans. Discuss the connection between your credit score and access to investment loans for purchasing stocks or other investment assets. Financial freedom and credit. Credit's role in financial freedom. Highlight how responsible credit management can accelerate your journey toward financial freedom by providing access to capital for investments and businesses. Leveraging credit for investments. Explore advanced strategies for leveraging credit to fund investment opportunities, such as using low-interest loans to finance income-generating assets. Credit score and retirement planning. Credit in retirement. Discuss the role of credit in retirement planning, including the potential need for credit during retirement, such as for medical expenses, home renovations, or emergencies. Reverse mortgages. Explain how reverse mortgages can be a financial tool for retirees and how your credit history can affect your eligibility and terms. Credit score and wealth preservation. Estate planning and credit. Explore the connection between estate planning and credit, emphasizing the importance of managing credit for the preservation and distribution of wealth to heirs. Passing on good credit. Discuss strategies for passing on good credit to the next generation, ensuring that your heirs inherit not only financial assets but also a strong credit foundation. Navigating economic downturns and credit. Credit in economic crises. Explain how credit management becomes especially crucial during economic downturns, providing tips on how to protect your credit during challenging financial times. Debt management strategies. Offer advanced debt management strategies for dealing with debt during economic crises, such as negotiating with creditors, prioritizing payments, and seeking financial assistance. Continuing credit education. Ongoing credit monitoring. Stress the importance of continuous credit monitoring throughout life to maintain a healthy credit profile and detect any issues early on. Keeping up with credit trends. Encourage readers to stay informed about evolving credit trends, regulations, and industry changes, as well as to regularly review their credit reports for accuracy. Credit score and philanthropy. Charitable giving and credit. Discuss how philanthropic activities, such as donations to charitable organizations, can be impacted by credit score considerations, especially for larger contributions. Impactful credit and philanthropy. Examine the intersection of impactful credit and philanthropy, where individuals with strong credit can leverage their financial resources for greater charitable contributions. Credit score and homeownership. The role of credit in mortgage applications. Explain in detail how your credit score plays a crucial role in mortgage applications. Discuss the impact on interest rates, down payments, and mortgage approvals. Mortgage types and credit requirements. Discuss various types of mortgages, such as conventional, FHA, and VA loans, and their respective credit score requirements. Explain how different loans may be more accessible or favorable based on credit. Credit score and rental housing. Rental applications and credit checks. Describe how landlords often perform credit checks on prospective tenants. Explain how a strong credit score can improve your chances of securing rental housing and better lease terms. Rental deposits and credit. Discuss how your credit score may influence the security deposit required by landlords. A higher score may lead to a reduced deposit or more favorable leasing terms. Credit score and insurance. Insurance premiums. Explain how your credit score can affect the premiums you pay for various types of insurance, including auto, home, and renter's insurance. Discuss strategies for obtaining lower premiums with a higher credit score. Insurance eligibility. Discuss how some insurance providers may use credit scores to determine eligibility for coverage. Explain how a poor credit score could limit your options. Conclusion. Your credit score is a valuable financial asset that can open doors to numerous opportunities or hinder your progress toward financial goals. By understanding the secrets to boosting your credit score and practicing responsible credit management, you can enhance your financial health and secure a brighter financial future. With the knowledge and strategies provided in this guide, you have the tools to take control of your credit and achieve greater financial success. What you think about the video, let me know in comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.